ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we will do monthly horoscope for November 2021 and the next in the series we will take up the natives with Taurus sign. To know what is coming in November for this month with respect to their career, love and relationship, finance and health. And at the end of it we will do the remedies to overcome the problems. So friends, let us start our video, and friends, if you like my video, then at the end of it please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. As you can see this chart, this is the transit chart of November 2021 or planetary positions in November 2021. Starting with the career of Taurus in November, from career point of view, this month is likely to be mixed for you as there will be ordinary progress in your workplace. Jupiter is present in your 9th house along with Saturn, which is 10th and 9th lord, making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga as Jupiter is debilitated there. So success after initial hurdles. For people in job, this month would not be favorable as Sun and Mars are two fiery planets placed in 6th house where Sun would be debilitated, and this combination is also aspected by another malefic planet Saturn, which can cause troubles with your superior and your colleagues and can cause clashes and arguments with your superiors. Placement of 6th lord Venus in the 8th house can create work environment all the more tougher for you, so surely no player at workplace. This month is not good for business professional and self-employed people as well. You will make rash decision in your business as 7th lord Mars is placed in the 6th house along with debilitated Sun and aspected by Saturn. Also, presence of Ketu in the 7th house is not favorable for people in business, and after first 2 weeks Sun will move to your 7th house along with Ketu, making things all the more worse for you, especially those doing business in partnership. The only silver lining would be placement of Jupiter, although debilitated, along with 10th lord Saturn in the 9th house or trinal house. Regarding the finance point of view, the Taurus Rashi in November, from the point of view of finances, this month will remain favorable. Your income will increase and you may also get financial support from some old source. Saturn is situated in your 9th house, which is the house of luck, and Saturn is aspecting the 11th house, which is the house of gain and income. So Saturn placed in own sign Capricorn will help you support of luck. Consequently, your income will be able to increase and you will also be able to arrange finances very easily. Also, 2nd lord Mercury is placed in the 5th house or trinal house in its exalted position, so it would be good for finances. Also, Jupiter being debilitated in the 9th house with 9th lord Saturn making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga, so gain would be there after initial hurdles. So your financial stability or financial condition should be under control. You may also make profits by networking in some new business as 2nd lord Mercury would be exalted in the 5th house. However, time for people with government servant or also politicians, it would be unfavorable as some old court case might crop up due to placement of debilitated Sun being placed with 12th lord Mars in the 6th house, and Ketu in 7th house can create misunderstanding among the partners. Regarding love and relationship matters, this month will offer some mixed results when it comes to relationship, because Venus would be placed in the 8th house and placement of Ketu in the 7th house can create trust issues between the two of you. Also, due to the presence of Ketu in 7th house, you may feel ups and downs in your relationship. But for lovers or people who are finding new relationship, time can be little encouraging due to the placement of 5th Lord Mercury in own house, which is Virgo house, which is also the exalted sign of Mercury, and due to the aspect of Jupiter on the 5th house, and 5th Lord Mercury can bring some solace for people in love or those who are finding new love. For married native, there may be problems between husband and wife due to placement of shadowy planet Ketu in the 7th house and also Venus being placed in the 8th house. This can create misunderstanding between husband and wife. Also, since 7th Lord Mars is placed in the 6th house along with debilitated Sun, can create ego problems between the married natives, and also due to these two fiery planets together, it can create fights and clashes between the husband and wife. So you are advised to remain patient and calm during this time. Now, regarding the health problem or health point of view, health would remain ordinary for Taurus native, as ascendant Lord Venus would be placed in the 8th house. Also, Jupiter, although it is debilitated, but a natural benefic planet, would be aspecting the ascendant from the 9th house. But due to the placement of Sun and Mars in the 6th house, two fiery planets being together for the first 2 weeks, you should be careful about sudden fever and boil. You are advised to maintain physical and mental activity. Now, the remedies would be do the Venus mantra for health and relationship problems, and do the Saturn mantra for professional problems. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911351351, 08130201201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।